Coming in as far as the story is concerned, viewers, now there is scoop on Saif attack case. Bloodstains on accused clothes is what we are learning. The clothes accused wore on 16th of January have been seized by the cops. Saif's blood is now going to be matched with the stains that were found. The clothes that attacker wore have been sent to the forensics department as well. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Shweta joining us live right now. Shweta, that's an important update as far as the probe is concerned. And most importantly, I want to understand from you, is there going to be any kind of clarity from Mumbai police on the case and what they have found so far or not?
Well, absolutely. In fact, this is a major update in Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case. What we understand is that after facial recognition test, now Mumbai police is also taking the help of DNA profiling. In DNA profiling, the forensic examiners would be reaching out in this particular case where remember when it comes to the recovery from the accused, the important evidence is a blood-stained cloth that has been recovered by Mumbai police. Now, this particular blood-stained cloth would be matched with the blood sample that would be collected from Saif Ali Khan for the DNA profiling purpose. Now, why this is necessary? Of course, this will be establishing the case directly to the crime even more better, and it will strengthen Mumbai police case with regards to the accused, where several allegations are also emerging, several concerns whether it is the same person or not. So while Mumbai police gathers the more evidence, they are also getting in touch with the DNA profiling with the help of forensic team, where the testing would be done with the blood sample collected from Saif Ali Khan and the stains which are found on the worn shirt of the accused on fateful night of January 16. And this is again an important procedure in the line of investigation what Mumbai police is following. As you ask me what is exactly Mumbai police up to, while we were talking to our reliable sources for taking an update in the case, we have got to know that Mumbai police is thoroughly examining all the angles. They are checking all the angles to probe deepen so that they leave no clue behind, and in this particular format they are also taking the help of DNA profiling so that they can get more closer to the case.
Right, Shweta, request you to stay on with us. And now, as we have got more updates on the forensic examination that's going to happen in this particular case, let's listen into what the father of the accused in this case said. Shariful Islam's father is joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us. पहले तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज में दिख रहा है और जिसको गिरफ्तार किया गया है, क्या वो आपका बेटा है?
हाँ, शरीफुल इस्लाम हमारा ছেলে।
Okay, he is your son. बट क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि आपने बोला है कि जो सीसीटीवी में दिख रहा है वो आपका बेटा नहीं है, जो गिरफ्तार हुआ है वो आपका बेटा है, लेकिन सीसीटीवी में वो नहीं था। आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि जो सीसीटीवी में दिख रहा है वो इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट पर्सन?
सीसीटीवीতে ফুটেজে দেখা যাচ্ছে সে আমার ছেলে নয়, কারণ আমার ছেলের মুখ ভারী এবং ওই ছেলের মুখ চাপা এবং চুল ঢাকানো। এই আমার ছেলে অত বড় চুল রাখে না, সে ওই ছোট করে চুল রাখে এবং উপরে ব্যাক ব্রাশ করে এবং উপরে চুল দাঁড়ানো থাকে। এই